But moving on to what we can expect from the brand new year, that's Samvat 2075, we have with us none other than Porinju Veliyath giving us his word of advice on what to expect in the new year.
Happy Diwali to all the viewers of ET Now. So, Samvat 2075 is beginning. I think it's a good start. We are in a completely oversold markets today, unlike last Diwali, where we had a very overbought, highly overbought, high valuation kind of environment. So, Samvat 2075 is going to be definitely a much rewarding for the investing community, especially the new money coming in, the new investors coming to equity investing. They are going to be, I think, well taken care with the highly rewarding stock market going forward. And at the same time, there are a lot of pessimism still in the equities in the market because of the big drawdown and the sharp corrections in some of the companies. Not some of the companies, I think most of the companies. So that is not the way to look at it. The deeper the corrections, the market is more attractive for investing. So we should be looking at what is there going forward. Forget the past. And some of these companies have already started recovering in a big way. I can see hundreds of small and mid-cap companies in the last 2-3 weeks going up by 20, 30, 40, and some of them more than 50%. A lot of them. Even some, accountable significant companies, businesses. So that way, markets have bottomed out. There is no doubt about it. We have all the earlier positives, what we talk about, the black to white and unorganized to organized. All those reforms and economic aspects are still live, and India growth story is intact. That's what people should not forget. We can only go up. That doesn't mean there will not be corrections or kind of things. Of course, the recent correction was really very, very painful to people who I have been predominantly investing in small and mid caps. So people like me had a lot of pain to go through after huge rewarding years earlier. So that also should be there to be taken care. So we will again see, good times for the deep, the stocks which have corrected or had a huge sell-off. And these stocks are going to be highly rewarding going forward. See, hotel segment is one sector I feel, they are oversold in the last many years. And some of the medium and even the largest hotel companies, which is a handful of them, it's well known. I like these companies. The occupancy is really going up. Cost of setting up a new hotel and running it, it has really shot up. It has become almost, very difficult to break even for the new properties. So the existing hotels with a large number of properties and brand pricing power, I think India there is a shortage of hotel properties in many cities. So hotel sector is something I find very safe for the next 2-3 years for equity investors to invest in. And as I told you, we had seen a big movement in paper and the intermediate movement, up move in sugar. So this, in India, it's always sector by sector, this gone happening. So that is basically a trading idea when you talk about these small cycles and segment-wise movement. So that if you keep your eyes and ears open, that kind of opportunity always emerge in India in different sectors. But need not be very much, focusing on one particular sector. We have seen the most fancied, all blue chip guys invested into the housing finance and the NBFCs. They had a big meltdown recently for various reasons. So these ups and downs happens to every industry. One should not forget that.